Getting big cup to spike is an amazing accomplishment. You should be proud of yourself. It is the start of your Kendama journey, and it is the fundamentals of Tama control. But how many can you do in 1 minute? I'm going to share with you 3 tips on how I can help you with your consistency. Grab your grandma, grab your siblings, your dad, give your mom a Dama, and let's all do this together. Let's learn how to do big cup to spike. So let's get right into it. If you don't have a Dama, no worries, you can always get one. Go to Target, save this video in your watch later list and watch it when you get a Dama. You can go to Target. I'll leave a link down in the description of my favorite North American retailers. Before we get started, I am going to take you guys on a little walk. We're going to go to the park, and for the end of the video, we're going to walk back to the house. We're going to give you guys a challenge, and I would love if you commented down in the comments section below your results. But first, we're going to take a walk. Hey friends, hey players. So, I'm still learning this YouTube stuff. We're just diving in really deep. We are putting perfectionism aside. But if you didn't know, Kendama has many benefits, such as hand-eye coordination, object manipulation, learning friction and gravity. Also, learning how to learn is a really big factor in your Kendama success. You gotta be willing to try, be open-minded to failure, and have a balance in life. Keep on trying. Keep on believing in yourself. Don't forget to take breaks when you need. Looks like I found my spot. We're gonna go right here in the trees. We're gonna keep it out of the wind a little bit. So let's get right into big cup to spike. Alright. We're going to put you guys a little higher. Alright, tip number 1. Let's do this together. Put your Tama on the big cup. What you're gonna do is you're gonna imagine your spike going up in the air. It's facing the sky or the roof, and in that same motion you're gonna drop your hand and you're gonna aim. You're gonna watch that bevel and you're gonna follow it down with gravity. Now if you're pointing the spike to the sky and you let go of the ball, you don't toss the ball, you let go, that hole will come down in a rotation like this. So what that looks like, my arm is going up, pointing the spike to the sky, and I'm dropping. Alright? So what that looks like in fast motion is like that. Now, tip number 2. This is a little bit of a drill for you to try at home. You're gonna use the rim of the big cup, and you're going to use that rim to slide it. You're gonna go like this. You're gonna use this motion. You're gonna go right, you're gonna go forward, and you're gonna go back. Think of it like a cheat code. You're gonna go up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right, okay? So, or I guess forward, back, left, right, forward, back, left, right. Forward, you're pushing the rim into the ball and you're letting it slide forward, and the goal is to catch it up back onto Big Cup. So, like this. That was forward, this is back. We're gonna go left, and we're gonna go right. Forward, back, left, right. Now, what this teaches you is how to manipulate the ball's rotation. So, say the hole's facing you guys, facing away from me, I can push forward a little bit and make that hole come around. So, just like this. Now, with that technique in mind, if it's facing forward but away from, like on an angle, you can face the hole directly away from you. You can use that technique to push, and you're gonna make that rotation. But what I want you to practice is both of them at the same time. So, say you're doing a push, but you're also putting the spike to the sky. So like this. And say the hole's facing towards me or towards you guys, like in perspective. If the hole's facing you, you don't need to push forward, you just need to point the spike to the sky and let go. Alright? That is tip number 3, is combining both of them. Now, let's try something else. Put the hole right on the bottom. What we're gonna do is we're gonna push forward and point the spike up and let go. So it looks like this. Now what you have to do after that is spot the hole, put your spike up close to it. You know when you're trying to catch an egg, you don't want it to slap your hand, right? You want to throw it up, bring your hand up with it, follow it down with gravity, so you're cushioning it. So if the hole's facing down, you're going to go up, face the spike up, you're going to push a little bit, you're going to bring the spike up towards the ball, and you're going to use the momentum of gravity to follow it down. And that is how we do Big Cup to Spike. Now, let's get home, and I'm gonna give you guys a challenge you can do with your siblings, your grandma, your grandpa, your dad, your papa, your mama. All right? Let's go! Challenge for Big Cup to Spike. Let's do this. Alright, we made it to the last segment of the video. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to like, give that subscribe button a click. And here is your challenge for today. Here are the rules, alright? So, we're gonna do 10 Big Cups to Spike, and you're gonna leave down in the comments section below what your time is for 10. Anyone can do this. I don't care if you're advanced or you're intermediate. I'm gonna keep an Excel spreadsheet of everyone's score and we're gonna get better together, all right? Here's the rules you gotta do from pull up. If you get the spike, you can go straight to big cup again, and without a worry, you can go again for the second one. If you fall, what I want you guys to practice is as soon as the ball hits the ground and it's spinning around, I want you guys to pull it up, and you're gonna practice wherever the hole is, you're gonna play it as it is, and you're gonna go for it. And you're gonna get better at ball manipulation and ball control. So, without further ado, let's get this challenge on the go. Stopwatch, ready. Ready? Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Wait, I did that backwards. 3, 2, 1. Let's fire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, I missed it. Alright, there's 10. Our official time is 43:04. We definitely could do better next time, but this is a daily challenge. You guys can come back to this video anytime and repost your challenges, your results. But that is everything, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one. You guys did it. You guys did the challenge. You guys stayed till the end of the video. I want you guys to leave an emoji down in the descriptions below of your feelings of this video. And I want to reward you guys for being here till the end. Here's some bloopers. Kendama is all about having fun. If you don't have one, I'll drop a link to my favorite retailers down in the description.
That's what you get for eating the GoPro, but...
You're going to try to make sure that no edges of the cup influences the ball to make it go wonky. You're going to make sure that it leaves all the same spots of the wood at the same time. And by going up, oh, also, alright, we're going to start over. Alright, step number 1. So, tip, alright. You guys are a legend for being here. Thank you so much for making it this far.